Oke, kita ketemu lagi lanjut lagi ke domain 2, value driven delivery. Oke, value driven delivery kita akan membahas terkait what and why value driven delivery, terus assessing value, prioritizing value, delivering incrementally, agile contracting, verification and validating value, CI, TDD, and ATDD. Oke. Key topiknya ada agile contracting, agile project accounting principle, agile risk management, agile tooling, compliance, CFD, smooth flow diagram, customer value proposition, and value management for agile, frequent verification, increment delivery, managing with KPI, minimum viable product, terus juga minimal marketable feature, prioritization schemes, Kano analysis, Moscow, relative prioritization, ranking, ROI, NPV, ERR, software development, practice, continuous integration, exploratory and usability testing, green, refactor, TDD, TFD, TDD, task, Kanban, boards, file driven delivery, work in progress, VIP limit. Oke, ini di atasnya. Plan work incrementally, gain consensus on just in time of acceptance, tune process to organization, team, and project, release new viable products. Oke, work in small batch, review often, prioritize work. Terus juga refactor open, optimize implement operation, review the checkpoint often, balance adding value, reducing risk, reprioritize productively to maximize value, prioritize non-functional procurement, review and improve the overall process and product. What and why value driven ya. Value driven early and continuous delivery of value ya, focus on people and interaction, cross-functional self-organizing team. Nah ini dia. Agility is everyone responsibility, embrace change even led in development, working software as primary measure of progress, value driven delivery. The recent project are undertaken is to generate business value to be to produce a benefit or improve a service. Delivering value is the reason for doing project, and value driven delivery was the our focus throughout the project. Value sampelnya contohnya seperti ini, value-nya nilainya interval high ROI, reduce cost, reduce risk, high IRR. While the cost project is driven by customer expectation, adapt to change as required by customer, providing feedback, perform prioritization and features, value to driven, develop trust and respect amongst themselves. They define their own work. They are empowered to make decisions, develop future leaders, provides cross training. Terus juga value sample ya. Contohnya adalah value to the end users, their expectation taken care of through incremental delivery and feedback. Terus juga provide quick clarification, thus reducing waste, minimal it to no training required on product usage, value to the organization, competitive differentiation, brand projection, enhance customer loyalty, less wastage, better collaboration. Nah ini agile value proposition, visibility, terus juga adaptability, business value, risk, ya. Ini agile development sama pembedaan traditional development. Jadi kalau misalkan traditional development, visibility-nya baru kelihatan pas di akhir. Jauh di akhir visibility-nya, kalau yang agile tuh kelihatan secara keseluruhan ya. Terus kalau adaptability-nya, kalau agile tuh bisa menyesuaikan, kalau misalkan tradisional agak susah ya adaptability-nya. Kalau di awal bisa, tapi kalau udah di akhir dah semakin susah untuk adaptability. Oke, business value-nya kalau misalkan agile itu semakin, kalau tradisional kan semakin tinggi gitu ya. Kalau misalkan agile itu ya juga itu semakin akhir semakin tinggi ya. Tapi dia emang naik dari awal. Kalau ini kan baru kelihatan setelah di awal dan dan di akhir itu baru kelihatan banget ininya. Risk-nya, kalau resikonya kalau agile itu semakin mendekati akhir itu semakin rendah resikonya, tapi kalau tradisional itu di awal tuh sedang tinggi, baru di execution, baru nanti pas akhir project turun resikonya. Oke, agile value proposition. Delivering value by how? Working software over comprehensive documentation, delivering working software frequently. Working software is the primary measure of the progress, ya, primary measure of progress. Delivery value early, waterfall, risk, okay, define, build, release, time, build, define, build, release, define, build, release, define, build, release value ya, risk ya. Oke, ada resikonya, oke, di setiap release. Terus delivery value early, delivery value early ya, deliver the highest value portion of the project as soon as possible. The longer a project runs, the longer the horizon becomes. Delivery value early, ada waterfall, define, build, release, value. Define, build, release, value. Define, build, release, value. Define, build, release, value. Tidak ada risikonya, itulah agile to the time ya. Okay, delivery value early ya. Deliver the highest value portion of the project as soon as possible. The longer a project runs, the longer the horizon become. Therefore, risk that can reduce value such as failure, decrease benefit, erosion of opportunities. Yeah, to maximize success, we have to try to deliver as many high value component as soon as we can before the things change or go sideways. So the stakeholder satisfaction plays a huge role in project success. Engage committed sponsors and product owners are vital for removing project obstacles and declaring success. By delivering high value elements early, the teams demonstrates an understanding of the stakeholder needs. So they recognize the most important aspect of the project and prove they can deliver. Tangible results help the team raise the confidence of stakeholders, build rapport with them, and get them on board early, creating a virtuous circle of support. Value-driven delivery means making decisions that prioritize the value-adding activities and risk-reducing effort for the project, and then executing based on these priorities. Minimize waste. Wasteful activities reduce value. Popendik, list of 7 ways, partially done work, extra process, extra features, task switching, waiting, motion defects. Identify ways. Okay, what lurking to do in the project? Where are the bottlenecks and time sucks? Are team member pulled within activities? What are you and team waiting for? What type escape effect have you experienced? Okay. Assessing value ya, financial assessment matrix. Oke, ada ROI, ada IRR, ada NPV ya. ROI adalah value in project, value of the project means the investment, higher ROI means better return, bigger is better. ROI is not the best approach to discovering business value ya. IRR, internal rate of return ya. IRR on high value 3,5, IRR on 4,3 in the case, better be ya. Lebih gede ya, IRR-nya, internal rate of return-nya. NPV can be audience to the value out in higher NPV is better is ya. Oke, jadi yang paling besar ya 1,3. And value management. Oke. 30 story plan with only completed 25 poin. To find our we divide 25 by 30 0,83. That's the 23% the red plan. CPI is the end value and value or completed features that divided by actual cost ya. EV per AC sudah populer, CPI sama dengan 2.200.000 dibagi 2.800.000 ya. Di sini 0,79 ya. Jadi di sini kita lihat nih. Ini value. Oke, 2.200.000. Oke. Dibagi actual cost. Ini adalah plan value. Oke. Ini adalah plan cost. Oke. Ini adalah actual cost. Oke. Costnya 2.800.000. Oke. Ini adalah schedule variance ya, perbandingan antara plan value dan juga plan value. Oke. Sedangkan ini adalah cost variance, perbandingan antara plan cost juga dengan value ya. Dengan actual cost ya. SPI itu adalah completed feature yang udah selesai dibagi plan features, CPI dan value bagi actual cost. Are getting 9 cents off on the dollar compared that we had predicted gitu, only getting 9 on the dollar compared that we had predicted 9 cents gitu ya, dari $1 yang kita prediksikan selesai. KPI rate of progress, how many feature users are getting completed accepted, example 20 poin per week, 8% per month. Gimana mau how much work is left in the backlog, likely completion date, how much work that there is left to do and divide it by our current rate of progress. Okay, key performance indicator, rate of progress, how many feature or research are getting completed and accepted by the product owner per week or month. Example 20 point per week, per month, etc. Remaining work, how much work is left on the backlog, likely completion date, how much there is left. Example remaining version, rate of progress 20 story point per week jadi 55 week. Okay, cost remaining, okay, there may also fixed cost untuk count, KPI and project life cycle, creative life skills, baseline, scope, score, majalah about getting done, likelihood or of target, manage risk. Risk is closely related to value, negative project risk. To maximize, we must also minimize risk since risk can reduce value. Value driven, the value the domain also encompass the concept of risk reduction. Agile practice are actually very well suited for rapidly identifying and reducing risk. Interactive development allow high risk work to be tackled early in the life cycle. The method that agile team use to manage risk are risk adjusted backlog and risk burden chart. Risk adjusted backlog in planning its iteration, agile team seeks to balance delivering the highest value feature and mitigating the biggest risk to remain on the project. They do this by moving the item with the greatest value and risk top the top of their backlog. The backlog might start out as just a list of the business features involved in the project, divided into practical bundles of work, but once the risk response activities are added and prioritized. This single prioritized list is what allows agile team to focus simultaneously on both value delivery and risk reduction activities. Risk adjusted backlog ya, ini contohnya ya. Ini nih prioritas list of threats and issue ini. Udah yang diprioritaskan pertama itu adalah yang value-nya tinggi dulu baru risk-nya tinggi ya. Oke, ini yang risk-nya tinggi, oke. Oke. Risk 2, action-nya requirement, prioritas list of feature ya. Requirement 1, risk 2 action ya. $5.000, requirement 2, $4.000, requirement 3. Oke. Oke. Risk adjusted backlog. Jadi di adjust ya, range-nya ya, jadi yang tuh 500, 5.000, 4.000, $4.000, 3.000, 2.000, 1.500, 1.500 dolar minus ya. Terus backlog. Oke, ini gimana nih? Oke, kita lihat di sebagian chart. Sebenarnya nanti calling Oracle, 20 remote application distribution, warehouse distribution stability, 10 legacy system stability, terus access to user community, availability of architecture, server upgrade necessary, Oracle hand, warehouse browser launch, PHP change by British Columbia, regulatory compliance. Regulatory are typical design to ensure safety, so while the mandate documentation and quality procedure might seem burdensome to the project team, they serve as an important purpose. There are two simple approaches for incorporating regulatory compliance work into agile project. Weave it into the regular development work as the team progress. Allow time after creating the product to undertake the regulatory work and produce the required evidence and documentation. There are pros and cons to each approach. Doing the compliance work as you go keeps it linked and relevant to the current work. Doing the compliance work after product development doesn't allow us to tweak our practice on the go. Okay, prioritizing value. Okay. Customer value prioritization. Agile team work on the item work that yield the highest value to the customer first. Okay, kan the product owner is responsible for keeping item to the backlog because by business value. When changes are added to the backlog, they must be prioritized for the value. The customer is the person who will declare what success look like. The team will discuss this with the customer at the end. It's iteration in the priority of the remaining. Priority schemes, simple schemes, Moscow, must have, should have, could have, but monopoly money, house point method, do dot voting, multi-voting, Kano analysis, requirement, prioritization model. Must have, should have, could have, would like to have, but not this time. Ya. Priority scheme, monopoly money, among the system features, house point method, stakeholder. She can use the vote for most important requirement. Dot voting or multi-voting, each stakeholder gets a predetermined number of dots or check marks. Stick it flags as easy to distribute among the options presented. E.g., when deciding how many votes to give each person, a good rule of thumb is 20% of the total number of items. So if there are 40 items to be voted on, we would calculate 40 kali 0,2 sama dengan n. This is 8 ya. Multiple point. Okay, and everyone would get 8 votes to distribute. Okay, prioritization scheme, Kano analysis. Okay, Kano analysis. Ada yang ini need not fulfill, the lecture exactor, indifferent, satisfied, dissatisfiers, need well fulfill, dissatisfied. Okay. Kano analisis prioritization schemes ya. Jadi di prioritisasi dari 4 kuadran itu, mana yang satisfiers, mana yang dissatisfiers, mana yang indifferent, delector atau exciters. Nah, mana ini karena need not fulfill, ini yang fulfill, new ya, need fulfill, well fulfill. Nah, ini yang not fulfill, tidak dipuas. Ini not fulfill tapi puas. Ini fulfill dan puas. Ini fulfill tapi tidak puas. Nah, jadi ada 4 kategori itu ya. Ada delector, exciter, dan features. Unexpected, novel, new high value, benefit to the customer. For example, a delector, exciter feature could be the visual mapping of data that was previously only available in tabular form. Delector, exciter, high level of customer support. Satisfiers ya, tadi delector, exciters kan. Satisfier for feature, there are categories as satisfier. The more the better. These features bring value to the customers. For usual reporting function could be a satisfier. Oh, kalau delector feature deliver unexpected, tidak diharapkan, novel, new high value. While delector exciter feature could be a visual mapping data that was previously only available in tabular form. Oh, enggak, tapi delector yield high level of customer support. Oke, terus ada dissatisfied. Dissatisfied itu these are things that will cause user to dislike the product if they are not there, but will not necessarily raise satisfaction, tapi tidak menaikkan kepuasan. Okay. For example, the ability to change a password within the season couldn't be dissatisfied. Tapi itu memang fulfill ya, membuat password, tapi tidak memuaskan gitu. Indifferent. Oke, indifferent itu di kotak itu ya. The feature has no impact on customer one way or another since customer are indifferent to them. We should try to eliminate, minimize, or defer them gitu ya. Jadi tidak berpengaruh ke customer ya. Defer them ya. Oke, itu kan analisis. Requirement producing mobile treat by car figures. When this approach, the benefit, penalty, cost, and risk of every proposed feature is rated on a relative scale of 1 lowest to 9 highest. Customer rate both the benefit score for having the feature and the penalty score for not having it. Developers rate both the cost of producing the feature and the risk associated with the production. The number of each feature are then entered into a weighted formula that is used to calculate the relative priority of all the features. Relative prioritization atau ranking ya. End goal is understanding the priority of features. End goalnya mengerti prioritas dari features. Great if we just simply asking the customer in order of relative priority. Okay, and goes priority features. Priority list, minimal viable product. Okay, cut off to meet budget or time. Priorities list. Okay, change, consider, and prioritize. Okay, cut off to meet budget. Priority list. Okay, change, accepted, delivering A. Okay, cut off to meet budget time. Jadi ini enggak termasuk ya. Ini udah di ranking. Delivering incrementally. Okay, delivering incrementally is another make to agile method to optimize the delivery of value. In the case of software development project, team could deliver it to production in increment. Increment delivery reduce the amount of rework by finding issue earlier and thereby contributing to the delivery of value on the project. Okay. kita lanjut lagi ke delivery incremental. Incremental delivery is another way that agile method optimize the delivery of value. Ya. In the case of software development project, team could delivery to production in increment. Increment delivery to reduce the amount free work by finding issues earlier and thereby contributing to the delivery of value on the project. In the case of JJ, jadi kemarin analisa desain, coding, testing semakin naik costnya ya. UAT production paling tinggi ya, punya time ya. MVP mana mel? Viable product. Tetap MVP itu juga MMP itu sama ya. Minimal marketable feature. Refer to this package of functionality that is complete enough to be useful to the user or the market. Yes, still small enough that it does not represent the entire project. Minimal viable product. MVP pencil mark on paper can be held in one hand, additional release eraser, visually attractive, self-sharpening, or continuously comfortable car MVP transport occupant from point A to point B into MVP road legal safe additional release. Air conditioner, AC heater, fuel efficient, aesthetically pleasing, sport performance comfortable. Ini ada agile tooling ya, moving from scheduling software to task atau Kanban board. Okay. Building prefer low-tech, high-touch tools over sophisticated computerized method. One key reason agile team value this type of tool is that low-tech. Low-tech tangible project promote communication and collaboration. In keeping with a low-tech, high-touch approach, agile team make a widespread use of tangible ya. Jadi untuk low-tech, high-touch tools for sophisticated computerization method. Ya, one key agile value this type of tool is this low-tech, tangible object promote communication and collaboration ya. In keeping with a low-tech, high-touch approach, agile team make widespread use of tangible tools such as task boards, user stories written on 3x5-inch index cards, those number card decks for planning poker sessions. Okay, agile team use low-tech, high-touch tools use such as a task board as their primary method of tracking and reporting value ya. Okay, task atau Kanban board ya. They are the primary tool for planning and monitoring the progress of the work ya. A task of or Kanban board is generally a whiteboard with columns that show the various stages of work. Okay ya. The tasks that are being worked on are represented by sticky notes that team member move through the column to show their progress ya. Team management to do ini harus lakukan progress ini oke. Completed ini. Oke. Task or Kanban boards, work in progress, WP limit, cumulative flow diagram, CFD, data loss, the duration of works required is dependent on its size, which is very limiting. WIP is such a key principle of the Kanban methodology. Nah ini contohnya ya, require itu daftar tunggu ya, duration ya, require length unitsnya itu B-nya itu ya, ini B itu length unitsnya itu menunggu itu berapa lama itu dia. Feature require duration ya, duration time yang ini nih. Oke, ini in progress, total, completed. Ini feature flow ya. Agile contracting. Oke, sekarang kita lanjut ke agile contracting. Traditional triangle yang ini seperti ini. Kalau agile kan seperti ini, cost time-nya itu kalau variable ya, fix ya. Kalau scope-nya itu yang variable. Oke, when you need to use an agile participant in the project, then this requirement should be outlined in the request for proposal. Agile team know that the requirement might change and the scope is negotiable. Traditional vendor contracts based on formal specification are problematic. Okay, agile project typically use contracting models designed for an agile environment, such as the fixed price, work package, and graduated fixed price contract. Ya, okay. Typically use contract model designed for agile environment ya, such as the fixed price work package, jadi software work package-nya, oke, and graduated fixed price contract, oke. Pakai time and material, the SDM contract, oke, change for free, business value, what Disney one, time drop this one, money for nothing, change for free ya, money for nothing, customer get best 70%, project done early, suppliers get 20% of what got load, avoid unnecessary feature, stop here, ROI cut off, dihitung ya ROI-nya, kayak ini stop sini, don't do this too, gitu karena tidak memenuhi ROI, jadi yang harus di ini ya. Based on fixed price work package, work package mitigate the risk of understanding of overestimating of chunk of work by reducing scope and cost involved in the work being estimated. Using fixed price work package allow the customer to reprioritize the remaining work based on evolving costs. It costs give the supplier the ability to update their cost as new detail emerge, removing the needs for supplier to build excess contingency funds into the project cost. Now the changes are then localized to small component work package. If extra funding is required, it is easy to identify the need and justify it. Traditional statement of work ya, proses fixed price work package ya. Nah ini traditional statement of work-nya itu ini. Ini fixed price work package ya, price. Nah ini dia. Oke, ada fix with option to re-estimate. Ini ternyata setelah with option to re-estimate ternyata 12K gimana? Ini kan kita kecil ini ya. Kalau ini kan satu nih traditional statement of work ya. Itu perbedaannya. Ini fix juga, cuma work package yang fix gitu. Bukan seluruh scope-nya kok yang ini kan scope-nya, kok ini work package yang fix. Gitu. Graduate fixed price contract. Graduated fixed price contract are promoted by Thorup and Jensen as another type of agile contract. With this kind of contract, both parties share some of the risk and reward associated with schedule variance. Thorup and Jensen suggest using different hourly rates based on early, on time, or late delivery. For example, finish $120 per hour, turun ya, graduated rate, finish on time, finish rate $90 per hour. Total fee, kalau finish early $92.000. Kalau finish on time, $100.000. Kalau finish late, $112.000. Jadi ini gradually fixed rate contract. Iya, ini risk and reward-nya gitu ya. Jadi, Ya. Read fixed price contract. The customer retains flexibility to prioritize work. Yeah. Okay, and the seller is not penalized for sharing information about his cost. Remove the incentive for the seller to add large contingency to the project price. Terus juga by combining element of graduated fixed price contract and fixed price work package and incorporating the concept of early termination, money for nothing. Okay, and repetition change for free. Yeah. We can create a contract that protects both parties and encourage positive behavior. Oke, kita di pembahasan yang ini verification and validating value ya, verification and validating value. How the customer explain it, how the Scrum Master understand it, how the developers build it, what the customer really need. Verification and validating value is one thing to think we are building great products and services. And another thing entirely to have the sponsor, user, and product owner confirm this. Agile methods are often used on projects that are intangible, such as design, software, etc. The intangible nature of this end product means it is all that much more important to validate that what we are building is in fact on the right track and seen as a highly valuable by the business. Frequent verification and validation. Agile techniques are designed to resolve problems as soon as possible before they can grow bigger and move up to the cost of change curve. Frequent verification and validation is practice at many levels on agile project. With frequent verification and validation, we are checking to make sure things are working and progressing as they should, as well as looking for any mismatch in expectation. Okay, frequent verification and validation. Agile techniques are designed to resolve problems as soon as possible before they can grow bigger and move up the cost of change curve. Frequent verification and validation is practiced at one level on agile project. With frequent verification and validation, we are checking to make sure things are working and progressing as they should, as well as looking for any mismatch in expectations. List, recent demo, acceptance test, days, and meetings, customer collaboration, unit test, by programming code. Oke, ini dia ya. Jadi, frequent verification and validation. The shortest feedback cycle takes place during the XP practice of pair programming. When two people are working together and the reviewer spot an error as the coder is writing, the issue can be resolved almost immediately. At the next level, XP reviewer run unit tests every few minutes to verify that the code is achieving the desired outcome and validate that the existing functionality is working properly. At the next level, customer collaboration should occur frequently. This provides feedback on whether the team design are correct and the customer objectives are being met. It's working properly. Okay. In their daily stand-up meeting, the team will validate who is working on what and when the code should be done and ready to integrate. Every few weeks, the team holds an iteration review meeting to demo the new work they have completed to the customer and verify that they are building the right product so far. Okay, every few months, typically at the end of each release, the customer review the deliverable to verify that is done and ready for release. Testing and verifying software development. Agile software project automate as many of their tests as possible with stream of the human element for their execution. Okay, automation also allow the test to be run more frequently at lower cost. The goal of frequent verification evaluation is to find issue as soon as possible to keep them low on the cost of change curve depending on the software. Ada exploratory usability testing, exploratory testing differ from scripted testing that attempts to exercise all the functional no components of a system relies on the tester's autonomy, skills, and creativity in trying to discover issue and unexpected behavior. Terus juga usability testing, terus attempt to answer the question how will an user respond to the system under realistic conditions. Terus diagnose how easy it is used to use the system and help uncover where there are problems that may need redesign or change. Terus this typically involve observing users as they interact with the system for the first time. Okay, continuous integration. Frequently incorporated new and change code into their project code repository. Terus juga this help minimize the integration problem. That is of multiple people making incompatible change to the same code base. Thus, the more frequently we make this code commit, the smaller the amount of code that need to be changed to allow a new build or version of the software to compile successfully. Oke, ada CI, continuous integration, test driven delivery, sama juga automatic test driven delivery. Oke, continuous integration. Accepted ya. Oke, continuous integration itu CI itu adalah ini ada source code control system, terus continuous integration ya. Baru di kalau misalnya pas lanjut, tapi kalau fail notification. Nah, ini terus source code build and test ya. Terus fail balik lagi, tapi kalau pas langsung ya. Source code control system. This is the software that perform version control on all the files that represent the product being developed. Okay, being built tool, the source code need to be compiled before the test can be run. Mass Integrated Development Environment (IDE) serves as a build tool to compile the code. Test tools as part of the build process, unit tests are run to ensure that the basic functionality operate as planned. Unit test tools execute the small automatic tests that are written in these tools to check the code for unanticipated change in behavior. Jadi as part of build process, unit tests are run to ensure that the basic functionality operate as planned. Unit test tools execute small automatic tests that are written in these tools to check the code for unanticipated change in behavior. Schedule a trigger, which might be launched on a regular schedule, such as every hour or every time the system detects a change to the source code. Okay, terus notification if a build fails, the team needs to be notified so they can correct the build as soon as possible. This notification may be sent via email or instant messaging. Notification benefit. Okay, team receive an early warning of broken, conflicting, or incompatible code. So juga integration problem are fixed as they occur rather than as they release. That approach this move any related change down the cost of change curve and avoid last minute work before release. The team receive immediate feedback on system-wide impact on the code they are writing. Thus, this practice ensure frequent unit testing at the code, alerting the team to issues sooner rather than later. So if a problem is found, the code can be reverted back to the last known but free state for testing, demo, or release purpose. Continuous integration disadvantage ya. Disadvantage-nya ada di setup time required to assemble a build super machine and configure the continuous setup time-nya perlu lebih lama. Okay. Integration software, this is typically done as an integration zero activity before development work began on the project. Okay. Terus the cost of procuring a machine that act as build server since this is usually a dedicated machine harus ditambah mesin baru. Okay, the time required to build a suite automated comprehensive test that run whenever code is checked in. Jadi waktunya ya yang dibutuhkan untuk membangun sistem yang secara otomatis ya comprehensive test is checked in. Just test driven delivery development, test driven development. Okay, the philosophy behind the test driven development. Okay, the code is before the code is written ya. Okay, the philosophy behind test driven development is the test should be written before the code is written. Okay, the developer should first think about how the functionality should be tested and then write tests in a unit testing language such as the N unit and J unit before they actually begin developing the code. With TDD, test-driven development, developers begin a cycle of writing code and running the test until the code passes all the tests. Then, if necessary, they clean up the design to make it easier to understand and maintain without changing the code's behavior. This last process is called refactoring. Jadi adalah TDD, developer begin a cycle of writing code and running the test until the code passes all the tests. Then, if necessary, they clean up the design to make it easier to understand and maintain without changing the code's behavior. Ya. Dan juga memerlukan ya. This last process is called refactoring ya. Jadi yang proses terakhir ini disebut juga adalah refactoring process. Oke. Okay, if necessary, they clean up the design. Okay. Head test yang pertama, terus run test, spread code, run test, fail, balik lagi ya, fail, ya. Terus is more functional needed? Yes, okay, test. Development continues if more functional is needed. Okay, for no, refactor, all test pass, so we refactor and stop development. Refactoring, okay, jadi yang running test the code pass, they clean up the implemented without changing the code's behavior. This last process is called factoring. Okay, acceptance test driven development. Acceptance test driven development move the testing focus from the code to the business environment. With test driven development, the tests are created before work start on the code. And this test represent how the functionality is expected to behave at an acceptance test level. Typically, we capture this test when we pull the user story from the backlog and discuss its desired behavior with the business representative. Okay. The acceptance test may be captured in a functional test framework, such as FIT framework for integrated testing or fitness. Okay. The overall process goes through the four-step of discuss, distill, develop, and demo as illustrated below. Acceptance test the driven development activity. I discuss the requirement during the planning meeting. We ask the product owner or customer questions that are designed to gather acceptance criteria. Okay, so this test is in a framework-friendly format. In this next phase, we get tests ready to be entered into our acceptance test tool. This will involve structuring the test in a table format. Okay, the code during the development, the tests are hooked up to the code and acceptance tests are run. Initially, the tests fail because they cannot find the necessary code. Until the code is written and the tests are hooked to it, the test validate the code. They may again fail, so the process of the writing code and testing continues until the code passes the test. Demo, the team does exploratory testing using the automated acceptance testing script and demos the software. Then cycle discuss, ya story, distill, ya distill itu in this next week we get the test ready to be entered into our. So this is the info structuring the test in the table format ya, dia structuring table in the format develop ya. Develop the code and hook up the test. During development, the tests are hooked up to the code and the acceptance tests are run. Initially, the tests fail because they cannot find the necessary code. Once the code is written and the tests are hooked to it, the test validate the code. Okay, they may again fail, so the process of writing code and testing continues until the code pass the test gitu ya. Oke, demo the team does exploratory testing using the automatic assistant testing script and demos the software. Oke, item jadilah discuss story. Oke, itu adalah domain 2. Oke, kita lihat domain 2. Driven delivery, ya, domain 2. Kita lanjut lagi ke what is value driven delivery. Oke, ini sudah dibahas tadi di PDF yang tadi ya. Dari jadi value proposition ya. Oke. Delivering value early, minimize waste, ini assessing value, ada financial assessment metric, ada ROI, IRR, NPV, oke. ROI investment itu ya, present value, IRR, rate of return, ya. The point in time when the revenue reaches equal the cost expended for the how much revenue the project will bring on it once it's completed. Yeah, the ratio of the money we receive at the end of every to the money we have invested. The percent of money will cost net or collected. C ini jawabannya ini. Siap ya, C. Dua, sponsor trying to determine value one project return $5, another return $6 million. The cost of borrowing ini is 4% reserve for its best approach. Okay. Like the project total project return $6 million. Yes, ini return semua. Okay. So the cost of borrowing lots of funds 4% ya. Calculate ya NPV juga kalau NPV 10% value-nya dan project $6 another project is in 4 years 5 million years. Okay, calculate the NPV of the project, choose the highest value the other day. A sponsor will best value here. Calculate the interval and choose the project the highest rate. Ya, prestasi paling besar. Ya, Value management. Dan chartnya, terus ada EVM ya, pros cons-nya, terus juga ya, actual spending, scope build-nya, scope cost, schedule performance with functional areas. Actual spending, scope build-nya, spending, project spending, terus scope build. Ini udah nih ya, yang tadi ya udah pernah diskusikan, juga tadi dibahas. KPI, rate remaining work, likely completion date, likely cost remaining, ya. Rate of progress, ya, how many feature is after getting completed as a product owner, remaining work, ini down chart. Ya, kalau up chart itu yang intinya ini chart remaining ya. First point to likely most point, have tested all through requirement. Likely completion date, ini sebagaimana terlampir ya. Likely cost remaining, managing risk, maximize value ya, technical dependencies, increase trade as anti value. After that, when potential erode, remove or reduce value if they occur. Set of the coin, then risk is the tile set. Terus to maximize value, gitu kan. Terus we must also minimize risk, gitu kan. Same to scan reduce value. This is why the value-driven delivery domain also encompass the concept of risk reduction. Okay, ya. Another value-driven, at least ini minimize the outflow of value. Terus juga ya, ini risk ya, risk agile, or ini ya, risk management, risk management, identify risk, perform quantitative risk, perform quantitative plan, respond to monitor risk. Ini agak risk management ya. Itu ya, compliance, oke. Predicting value, cost of value prioritization, scheme, simple scheme, must have, should have, could have, priority 1 sampai must have, gitu kan, sampai could have, itu yang paling rendah, like have but not time. Do not voting analysis, juga tadi sudah dibahas, selector, dissatisfied identifiers. Oke, still must have, should have, could have. Nah, ini dia contohnya, ini to hello frame, to hello and frame itu must have, ability to adjust shadow to automate growth itu could have, gitu. Ini should have ya. Terus should have breakers for self stopping, should have ground electric other proximity, could have safety cover to the chain, should have, active correction, could have stabilizer of the ability to fit, could have front suspension, could have valve origin, could have pedals, should have, could have, gitu kan. Ini Oke, ya contohnya. Oke, level income mentality. Oke, produk, MVP, ya. Tadi ngomongin marketing. Oke, light tech, low tech, high touch tools. Ya, teks. Ya. Oke. Contohnya tadi sudah, task board. Sudah contohnya ya. Terus juga work in progress, work in limit, bahas tadi aman order, event, oke, task Kanban, oke, fully utilize, motif diagram, oke, little loss, oke, bottleneck of theory constraint, agile contracting, ya, SNM kontrak, terus ada juga money for nothing for change for free ya. Terus yes, fixed price package, custom contract, lalu ya frequent practice validation, ini sorters, DXP ini Okay, agent trigger, exam tips, post. Nah, tadi otomatis integration ya, terus juga ada driven delivery ya. Agile, reason, jadi TTD ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke domain 2 ya. Nah, ini penjelasannya seperti kontak agile itu ada job tracking ya, vendors, involved, for job kind service agile team should be carefully in selecting vendor and make sure they are preparing in a agile environment. Okay, if a vendor needs to use agile approach, anticipate that they should outline the RFP ya, depending on the role. However, some agile practice before setting the role that a vendor be familiar with agile ya, covering education event if worth it ya. For the vendor who plays the minor role of the project of it is in the vendor will play a major critical risk role. Be important educate about agile, like the decision in educating our vendor. We have to consider the cost benefit trade-off. Yeah, since again, traditional contract, designing and environment, such as fixed price, work package, and reload fixed price contract script. Apa sih produk retail? Kita lagi ke bukan ada desain kontak. Saya itu ada marketing, endorse, stakeholder buat external to the reason are involved in the project because they are providing some services. Yang harus be careful is selecting vendor and for working in vendor and is the cost participate in the project. This requirement outlined in the request for proposal depending on their role on project. However, some vendor may not need to use understand because when we setting a requirement, vendor will be familiar with them, additional info for vendor, see its work, vendors will play a minor role in the project, perhaps it isn't, but vendor will play a major critical role. It will be important for indicate uh, the what like our region in educating our vendor we consider the cost benefit trade-off since the teams know the requirement mindset scope is negotiable. Does a vendor contract based on formal specification are problematic? Set our agile project is typically this contracting model designed for an agile environment, but at the fixed price for package and graduated fixed price contract described below. Sekarang prosedur model agile accounting refers to how a model of agile network we will be covering the differences between agile and traditional life cycle from various perspectives in relation to planning, delivering value, and so on. And this difference also have implications for project accounting. For producing work by business value and delivering the highest value component first can radically change the payback period and return on investment for a project. As we will see, Agile teams aim to deliver a minimum viable product as quickly as possible. So there's maybe opportunity to get early benefits by making uh, use of some of the product functionality while the remainder of the project is still being executed. Okay. Kita jelaskan mengenai konsep manajemen risiko pada Agile ini. Oke. Dan risk management ini sama seperti yang di MPT. Tugas value Agile to consider risk and technical choice that could lead uh, deliver the most value even it give illusion of an early progress. Therefore, we need to consider risk and functional requirement and let the customer how know that. Maximize reward even when they are aware. Therefore,